Tier 1 Accessible Technology Quick Tips, Barbara Welsford. Typing feedback, iOS 13 mobile devices, spoken content accessibility option. Today we're going to demonstrate the Tier 1 accessibility option, typing feedback, which is built into the spoken content accessibility option on your iOS 13 mobile devices. Let's go to the Settings app and we'll tap on Accessibility on the left side deck, Spoken Content. I'm going to turn Speak Selection on, which allows me to select any text on the device and have it read aloud. I leave Highlight Content on, and let's go to Typing Feedback. I can turn on Speak Each Character as I'm typing, which is good for some students who might be learning the name of the letters. Traditionally, it's a little bit monotonous having each letter read aloud, so I usually have that off. I can select Speak Words, which means I'm typing in a word and I hit space and it reads that word aloud. I can have Speak Auto Text set, and I'm going to show you too how to hold to speak the predicted words while you're typing. So let's go to Notes, and I'm going to type in typing feedback, and I'll just type the whole word in with direct selection. I'm going to tap
Typing.
Space and it reads aloud. If I had typing feedback turned off and speak selection turned off, I would not be able to have that word read aloud. So typing, I'm going to capitalize, feedback is predicted there. So I'm going to hold down the word feedback on the word prediction bank.
Feedback.
And it says the word, I lift
Feedback.
off, and it chooses that word and reads it aloud. Let's write today.
Today is
Friday. And again, I'm going to
Friday.
So I put the period in it. It won't read
Friday.
the sentence unless I select that sentence. Select and then tap Speak.
Today is Friday,
which reads aloud the whole sentence because I have Speak Selection set. So tomorrow
is
So if I demonstrate the incorrect spelling of a word,
stray.
it'll still read the incorrect spelling, but it is an indication to the writer that that is not the word that I wanted to spell. So I might go back and make another attempt. Again, I can choose what I think is right on the words that are predicted and put the period in. So I'm just going to show you a way to have the whole sentence read aloud. Let's go back to grab our speak screen and pull up our speech controller, which is over here. So I'm going to go back to Notes, and here's my controller. I'm going to tap on
Typing
the
feedback.
right arrow.
Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday.
And it reads aloud because of that feature. I must mention that some students have difficulty with word prediction and the typing feedback because it isn't strong enough to address their writing needs. And when you're writing, you need to formulate the sentence, you need to get the words going, and with word prediction, you need to be able to get the first beginning letters of that word correct, so it's predicted on the word prediction bank. Some students will definitely need a stronger word prediction assistive technology to enhance their writing performance. So the typing feedback is beneficial to so many students, enhances attention, enhances written output, provides opportunities to self-correct and to even work on their spelling. So typing feedback. What happens when this accessible technology feature is not working for your student? We suggest at this time to make a referral to your assistive technology specialist or AT designate for a more in-depth assistive technology assessment to indicate what specific Tier 2 or Tier 3 assistive technology and or other supports or interventions that will enhance performance of that student.